Hello everyone, this is Margo with Straightaway Travel, and today I'm excited to give you a tour of my room at Secrets Moxché Playa del Carmen. I'm staying in the Junior Ocean View Suite, which offers breathtaking ocean views. This suite is beautifully appointed, featuring a luxurious marble bathroom with separate rain shower, double sinks, and premium Gilchrist Stone's bath amenities. There's an in-room safe for your valuables and a secrets box, allowing for private and uninterrupted room service. You'll also find ample storage space with 2 spacious closets and additional drawer storage to keep all of your belongings organized. The suite offers either a king bed or 2 double beds, as well as air conditioning with an in-room climate control, ensuring a restful night's sleep. You'll also enjoy thoughtful room amenities, including an espresso machine, daily refresh minibar, and a fully stocked wine chiller. This 668 square foot suite includes a private, fully furnished balcony or terrace, perfect for relaxing and soaking in the views. For added convenience, the motorized shade lets you enjoy the scenery without even stepping outside. I hope you've enjoyed this room tour. If you're dreaming of making this your next getaway, be sure to contact your Straightaway travel specialist to book your stay.